Hi guys, yes, so another tutorial, dancing with monster. Yes, so stay tuned, stay tight as I walk you through how I make this wonderful video using CapCut. Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, record an empty space for a few seconds. Then walk into the scene. Walk in. Make a dance for few seconds or few minutes, as you can see me do. Then jump up, then bend for some. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut. Click on new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then you need this empty space. Click and split. Then you go and look for overlay. Click on overlay. Then adjust. Click on the video and make a split. Then click on this one and hold and adjust it to cover that empty space. At this point, click on this empty space. Go and look for freeze. Click on freeze. Tap this one and delete. Then click on this one and adjust it. Then come back now. Come back. Yes, look for this place where you jump up here. Then click on the video, this very place. You click it and make a split. Where you just jump down, click it and make a split. Then this place, let me explain. You have to listen attentively here. Now you want to remove BG, but BG in CapCut now is pro. That is auto remover now is pro. Since auto remover is pro, what are we going to do? How do we achieve this video? It's simple. Listen attentively. Go and on your screen recorder. Then come back here and click on the video. Go and click on remove BG. Click on remove BG. Auto remover. Click on auto remover. Remove it completely. Allow it to remove completely. Then after removing it, the next thing you want to be doing here now, you want to add key to this video. So come front and click it and make a split. Click it here, make a split, guys. Then delete this part, we don't need it again. Come back to this one. Is just deleted. Delete this part. Come back to this one. Click on it. Click on this one, guys. Add chroma key to it. Add chroma key. See chroma key here. Add chroma key. Come front and add another keyframe. Then push the video up. Good. Let us see what we have got. Click on normal. Then increase it to 5.2. Let us see. Click OK. Let us see what we've got. Good. This is good. What you will be doing now is you want to go and save this video on your gallery. Off your screen record and save it on your gallery. Come and click your gallery. This is the video you just saved. Click on it. So what we'll be doing here now is to go and look for edit. Look for edit, guys. That is edit there. Then click on crop. Crop the video. Crop it. Crop the video. Crop it. Watch what I am doing. Crop it. Guy, watch well so that you will not make mistake. Crop the video. After cropping it, you click on done. After cropping it, click on done. The video have saved in your gallery. Go out from here. Go out from here completely. As you go out from here now, go and click on CapCut. Close this project. Close this one. New project now. Click on new project, guys. Go and bring in that video you recorded. Bring it back to CapCut. That thing you did the other time, the way you did it, did the same thing. You need this empty space. Click it and click on split. come and look for overlay. Where are you? Look for overlay. This is overlay here. Click it. Then go. Click on this video and make a split. Is too long, and delete this part. Click it and adjust it now. Look for that place where you jump up, but before then click on this up and add freeze. Remember we did it on the first time. Click it, add freeze. Guy, look for freeze. Click it and drag it. Then you come back now on the video. Look for that place where you make a jump. That place where you jump up. This place where you jump up. Click on it and make a split. Click on it, make a split. Click on it. Click on split. Delete this part, we don't need it again. Click on overlay. Look at add overlay. Click on this add overlay. Import that video you crop on, the one you work on, you crop on. Look at it here. Import it back. Bring it back to CapCut, guys. Bring it back. Yes, this is it. So what we'll be doing now is we want to look for the perfect place where we need. So keep going front where you will not have this line, where you will not have that line. So keep going front. You can see that line is not here. So click it and make a split. Click here, make a split. Then click on this one and delete. Click on this one, hold it and align it with, align it. Perfect. Then let us look. Bring it down here so that it will align very well. Click here, make a split and click on delete. Make a split and click on delete. We don't need that part again. Let us see what we have. This is good. The next thing now is to add our green screen. Click and add your green screen. So this green screen, align it well. Click on it. Click on this green screen. Click on it. Then go and look for remove BG. Click on this remove BG. See chroma key. Use chroma key. Drag it. Then come to intensity and increase it to 50. If you increase intensity to 50, increase shadow to 50 also. Make them 50-50. But after then you can see that the green has no remove final. It has no remove finally. So come and click on the video, guys. Click on the video. Click on it. Click on this green screen and go and look for adjust. Look at adjust here. Click it. HSL. Look here, click it. Then click on this green. Then adjust it back to 100%. Let us see what we've got. Click here and click OK. Okay, let's see it now. Let's see how it looks. Adjust it to see it very well. Okay, look at it now. There is no green on it again. So what we'll be doing now is we want to add chroma key. But before then, drag this video up. Drag it up. As you drag it up, come back. Come and go to the beginning of the green screen and add chroma key. Then come to the somewhere in the middle, add another chroma key. There. Let's then drag the video down. Drag it down. Can drag the video down now. Drag it down, guy. Drag it down. Let us see what we've got. Okay, this is good. Then what we shall be doing now is we want to add speed. But before adding that speed, you can see what we have. We want to add speed, but before adding it, click on it. Click on this green screen. Click on it here. Then make a split. Click on split. Yes. Then you come back. Come and click on this one. Add speed. Look for speed. Add speed. Normal. Increase it. Yes. 5.2 or 4.8. Then drag this one back to align. Drag it back to align. Let us see what we've got. Yes, this is good. This is nice. Then click here, click on this one too, click on this one, delete this one, delete this one, we don't need them again, delete it, click on delete, delete it, then go back. Let us see our video. Let's see what we've got. Let us see what we've got. Allow the video to play so that we see what we've got. The next thing now is to export the video, to save it to our gallery. So the next thing is you click on export, and you export the video to your gallery. The video is exporting. Now your video has exported. You can now share it to your social media handles, your Facebook handle and all that. Like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you. Until I come your way again.